How to recover deleted photos in Google Photos. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can recover deleted photos in Google Photos. So, how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in and open up your Google Photos, all right? Just like I have done here. And then once you've opened it up, you go ahead and delete. The first thing to do is to go to your library, all right? Once you're on the app, go to your library. Your library is located by the lower right corner of the screen. So once you've located your library and you take it to your library, and then you have some images that you've deleted but you want to recover them. Next thing for you to do is to click on the trash icon, which is located at the top part of the screen. At the top part of the screen, you'll see some options such as favorites, utilities, archive, trash. Okay, just click on trash, and once you click on trash, you'll be taken to your trash where you'll see all of your deleted items such as videos and pictures. So for you to recover this, the next thing for you to do just to long press on the one you want to recover. Once you've long pressed on it, by the lower part of the screen you see some options such as delete and then restore. Delete is if you want to delete that particular item permanently such that you would no longer be able to recover it. Okay, right? If restore is to restore the image back to your device. So you can just click on restore. Then once you click on restore, another box will pop up asking you if you want to restore the item. Click on restore, and then the item would be recovered automatically. So this is just how you can recover deleted items or photos on Google Photos. Thanks for watching.